what thinkers do ain't so predictable though as 2 plus 2. Last night when I got to thinking, it's all too late. Wouldn't have been surprised to find that 2 plus 2 made 8. Is this the end of days? Cause it all looks the same. Is this the end of days? But everything has changed. Feels like something's coming and it's making me upset. Is this the end of days? Well, maybe not just yet. Did you see the rain last night? Thought we're gonna flood. But in these times of troubled climes, is that bad or good? Meantime, we must stay inside, lock up all the doors, shut your windows, shun the neighbors, stare at these 4 walls. Is this the end of days? Cause everything has changed. Is this the end of days? But everything's the same. Feels like something's coming and it doesn't feel okay. Is this the end of days? Well, maybe not today. Maybe not today. Myself a bunker, build myself an ark. So call me only when it's over, tell me when it's through. Meantime, I'll just close my eyes and hold on tight to you. Is this the end of days? Cause it all looks the same. Is this the end of days? Cause everything has changed. Feels like something's coming and it doesn't feel quite right. Is this the end of days? Well, maybe